Adding a J-cut. The J-cut gets its name from the shape of the edit. Picture the letter J over an edit. The lower part, the audio cut, is to the left of the upper part, the video cut. Open the Theft Unexpected sequence in the Master Sequences bin. Play the last cut in the sequence. The join in the audio between the last two clips is rather abrupt. You may need to turn up your speaker volume to hear the join. You will improve things by adjusting the timing of the audio cut. Select the Rolling Edit tool, accessible by clicking and holding the Ripple Edit tool icon. Press and hold Option on Mac or Alt on Windows. This temporarily overrides linked selections. And drag the audio segment edit between the last two clips, not the video, a little to the left, in a single motion. You've created a J-cut. Play through the edit. You might want to experiment with the timing to make the cut seem more natural, but for practical purposes, the J-cut works. You can also smooth it over and improve it further with an audio crossfade later. Switch back to the Selection tool.